Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel after creating the channel. How to set it up so that when you start posting, YouTube will know how to categorize your videos and then know how to push it out to people. Because one thing about YouTube, if you do not set up your channel properly, your video are likely not to get views. Your video are likely not to get views. So I'm going to show you in this video how to set up your YouTube channel on your YouTube studio. So if you are not watch the video I made on how to create a YouTube channel, then to check the link in the description. I'll put the link in the description. Kindly check the link in the description or on the comment section. You'll see it there. Thank you. So go over to your YouTube. Go over to YouTube, click on this place where you can see the cursor. Click on view channel. When you click on view channel, can you click on customize channel? It will take you to studio.youtube.com, which is the back side there. You can see everything about your YouTube channel. So click on continue. This is how to set up your YouTube channel. Go over to settings. You see settings here. Click on settings. For the currency, first set your currency to whatever you want. This doesn't really matter for now, but just set it to your currency. For me, I'll leave it in United States dollar. Go over to channel. Then click on country of residence. For me, I'll leave it to the United States. Look for United States. For me, I'll leave it in United States. It says select your current country of residence. For me, I'm going to leave it in United States. For the keywords you want people to be able to use to find your YouTube, just put it. For me, I'm going to put hope boosters. Boosters. This is basically your tags, and you get. You want to put code boosters, motivation, because on this channel I'm going to be posting about motivational videos. Motivation, hopes. Let me just put it like that. Let me leave it like that. You can add more according to your channel. This is a new channel. I'm going to be posting about motivational videos, so that's why I'm just putting all this one. Later I'll also add some to it, but for the purpose of this video, I want it to be quick. So we're going to go with this. Click on advanced. For advanced, if your videos are for kids, you click yes, this channel are made for kids. I mostly upload content that are made for kids, you get. But if you don't want it to be made for kids, if your channel specifically are not the content you are going to be creating are not made for kids, then you should click on no, this channel is not made for kids. But if maybe you are going to be uploading some content that later in the future that some will be for kids and not for kids, you should leave it on I want to review anytime you want to post a video. So anytime you want to post a video, it will ask you for a review to select if that video specifically is made for kids or not. So that is it. For me, I'm going to put it no, this is not for kids. Then I'll click on future eligibility. For future eligibility, upload plates. Okay, this one I just leave it like that. For the number 2, video over 15. Says it will ask you to verify your phone number, so you will have to verify your phone number. For me, I'm not going to verify my phone number now. You don't want to verify my phone number now. You verify your phone number. If you click on verify phone number, it take you to somewhere else. Get a verification code. It will ask you for you to put your phone number, and then a verification code will be sent to you. You can select your country, then put in your phone number. The verification code will be so then you will input the code. You get my point. So it's very easy and simple. So for the second one, increase daily uploads and live stream. So the thing is, if you do not verify your phone number, you will not be able to input custom thumbnails, go live stream, or upload video longer than 15 minutes. You get my point? So for you to be able to input custom thumbnails are those, let me say, pictures you see in the video before you play the video. You get, they are the first picture in which you see on YouTube. Let me just say banner. Yes, thumbnails are like banner. They are what you see on YouTube before you play the videos. Advanced features, increase daily uploads and live stream and eligibility for monetization. So this is what you will have to do for these advanced features, like your ID requirements, start requirements, intermediate feature enabled, and one of these video verification ID. Yes, you have to verify yourself and verify your YouTube with an ID. You have to verify yourself and with your ID card and a video selfie. For my other channels, I've done this, but this is a new channel. I'm showing you so you will know. So that is that for that. I'm not going to do this. I'm just telling you how to go about it. It is very easy. So let's go to upload defaults. Let me say, if you have specific title you'll be using for all your content, you can input the title. For me, I do not like inputting titles because I do not have any specific title. But on your default description, if you have a specific description whereby you want to be adding to all your videos, because you can see it says upload default. Anytime you want to upload content, all these settings you are doing, they will automatically fill up on the content you are uploading. But you can also edit it by then. But that is what it does. You should fill it. Now let me say this channel helps you to feel motivated and hopeful. Let me say hopeful. Let me just leave it like that. Anytime I'm uploading a content, it will automatically fill this description for me on the content. So let me say this public, private, and unlisted. It means if you are posting a content, should it automatically go public when it's fully uploaded on YouTube, or should it be unlisted, or should it be private? So I will leave it on public. Get my point? Tags, you can add your tags that will automatically be feed when uploading a content. For me, I will just say hope boosters, motivation, best motivation, so I'll just go to the next one, advanced settings. For the advanced settings, you will see language and captions certification. So let me input English as my language. And for me, I will input English. I like English. English is my language. For certification, I just put none. Maybe if you do news, you post real news, you can click on this content has never been aired on television or whatever. But I'm going to leave that in because that is none of my business. This caption certification, the caption certification, you can read it. It says if your content appears on US television or on after 30th of September 2012, it may require closed captions. This is a requirement for Federal Communication Commission. So this doesn't really mean anything to you if You are not a news card. If you are not on the news feed, you get my point. You will not post videos about news, or you get my point. Try to understand me. So that is that for that. YouTube title and description language English. I'll choose English. My title and description language, I'll choose English. My comment, if you want your comment section to be always on or off, you put it here. For me, I want it to be on. For this moderation means, do you want instructive languages? For this moderation helps to hold, it helps to prevent insultive languages, abusive languages. You know, some people might want to say things like "I hate you" or "fuck you," this, or want to use some abusive words. So this is how you set it. You have to, if you should put it on none, any comment someone comments on any of your videos, it will automatically be posted on under the video. But if you want to hold it, if you want to put, or you put it on hold, or all comments, anyone commenting on the video, until you review them and approve them, it will not allow it to show under your videos. But for the people, it will show that they have commented. But other people will not see it until you approve it from your YouTube studio. You get my point? You can leave it on strict, basic, or hold none comments. You can basically see what they put under. Do not hold any comments. Hold potential inappropriate comments. Strict, hold a broader range of inappropriate comments. Hold all, it means hold all comments. For me, I'll put basic. You get my point? So show many viewers. Show how many. Okay, if you want YouTube to show how many viewers likes your video or not, you will tick this or tick this. Okay. So let's go to permissions. Quick one, if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please kindly click on the subscribe button and on the like button. Also put on the notification bell so that when I drop another video, you get it. It is free to subscribe and you will never be charged for it. Thank you. For permissions, if you want to invite anybody to be your admin or whatever, then you can invite. For community moderation, comments, and I've already done some settings before. Comments are on. Moderations, which is about what we talked about yesterday, the comments, restriction and stuff. Message in your life. Okay, let me say basic. If you are on live and you want YouTube to hold some inappropriate comments, you put it on basic or you leave it on none. Viewers posts. You can viewers post on your communities or not. Yes, I leave it on. Moderation. Basic. Minimum subscription time. You can't change this setting because your posts are turned off. Okay, let me say one. Let me just leave it like that. Subscriber who can post. Yes, subscribers. Blog quote, like you can put in some insultive words you do not want in your comments, and YouTube will automatically filter and block them. But if you want YouTube to automatically hold anybody comments with hashtags or URLs. URLs are links so that they won't be able to scam anybody from your site. Then you should tick this, but if you don't want to tick it, for me, I will tick it. Now go to creators demographics. Take survey. Let me click on take survey. Let me just exit it. So agreements, no agreements. So I'll click on save. Then all my settings so far will be saved. All my settings so far will be saved. So that is how to save. That is how to set your video. You do it according to how your niche is. You set it to according to your niche. You get my point? You set it according to your niche. So these are basic infos. These are basic info. You can also set your basic info. If you have watched some YouTube videos, for this video watermark, you will see that there are always kind of a watermark below the videos in a corner of the video. So if you want something like watermark, you can upload it and then use watermark. You get my point? You can upload it and use anything for watermark. But if you don't want YouTube to automatically add watermark to your videos, then you can leave it empty. If you want people to be able to contact you in email, you can add your email or leave it empty. If you want to add link like your Facebook link, you can put Facebook, like Facebook, then put your Facebook profile link. If you want to add WhatsApp, you can put WhatsApp. You can add more. If you put the link here, it will allow you to be able to add another. You can add more or put whatever there you get. You can add more as much as you want. So that is it. You can put Facebook, you can put WhatsApp, you can put any link you get as much as you want. But this YouTube URL, this is your channel URL which you can copy. You can also go on www.youtube.com/your handle name / your handle name. You can give it to anybody so they can visit. Look at it here. You can give it to anybody so they can visit your site too, or so they can visit your YouTube channel. Or you can also give them this handle link, this channel URL, so they can visit your channel to like or to comment on your video if you are inviting someone to subscribe or whatever. Get my point. So you can edit your name, but I don't want to edit my name. You can edit your name or whatever. So on this video, you can upload your profile picture. For me, I don't want to upload any profile picture. You can upload your banner, your YouTube banner. I don't want to upload it. Kindly read what you see here. You understand what YouTube banner is. And you can see this. You can change basic info on YouTube channel such as name, description, and whatever translations and links you get. So for home tab, you can activate home tab or leave home tab. If you don't know what is home tab, I am sure you must have seen some video where if you have visited their channel, you see some videos on their home before you even see the videos and shots they have done before. There are some specific videos which they want to be at the top of their channel. So it is from this place which they set it. It is from this place which they set it. I will make another video concerning this. If you want, just let me know in the comment section. Tell me you want it. So I will make a video about this. But this is not really necessary for you. Even on my main channel, on this channel, I did not turn this on for now. As of now, when I'm making this video, I did not turn this on. So I'll just leave it off. So that is it. If you want to look at what we have set, if it really saved, you can see it. You can see the channel settings, everything is saved. So and that is it. You can also do this on your mobile phone or on your PC. This is saying your accounts are greater risk because after this video I'm going to turn on two-factor authentication. So don't even bother. Thank you. Don't even bother to attend when you get this channel or whatever. Thank you. For audio library, you can go on audio library or whatever. But that's not why we are here. So the main reason why we are here is to show you how to set up your YouTube channel. You can see we have done the settings and whatever we want here. So that is how to set up your YouTube channel. If this video was helpful, kindly click on the like button and the subscribe button. To subscribe is 100% free. The reason for your subscription is so that you get notification whenever I make a new video, and then you'll be updated for it. That is the reason for subscription. Please kindly subscribe and then you get notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you and God bless you.